Happy morning students, a warm welcome from Sheba Group of School online class. Hope that you are all fit and fine. Students, already we have learned the lesson. Today we are going to start writing the classwork. Are you ready for the class, children? Students, take your English classwork. English classwork 192 pages ruled note. 192 pages ruled note. Already we have written a lesson. Now we are going to write the new lesson. Take a new fresh page and start writing the lesson. Clear, students? Students, have you taken a fresh page? Have to start writing with a sharp pencil, with a sharp tip pencil. Okay, children? Now let us move on to the board. See the board, children. First, we have to start writing with the date. 14/9. 14/9. Okay, children? Children, see here, see the board. After writing the date, you have to write the lesson name. Know your feelings. Know finger space, your finger space, feelings. Okay, children? After writing the heading of the lesson, you should leave one line and start writing from the next line. Okay, children, what is the first Roman letter? Yes, the first Roman letter is meanings. Roman letter must be written inside the margin. See, I have written inside the margin. Heading is meanings. Heading is meanings. After writing the heading, leave one line and start from the next line. Number 1. Okay, children, the number must be written inside the margin. What is the first word? Lazy. L-A-Z-Y, lazy. The meaning of lazy is idle. I-D-L-E, idle. Lazy, idle. Lazy na somberi thanam. Okay, ma? Idle means somberiya irukadhu. Not doing the work at the correct time. Then, after writing the first one, leave one line and start from the next line. Number 2. You have to start with the capital letter. Start writing near the margin. Students, follow my instruction. Listen to my instruction. Start with a capital letter. Start writing from the near the margin and write neatly, children. The second one is happy. The meaning is joyful. Happy, joyful. J-O-Y, joy, F-U-L, full. Joyful. Joyful means sandoshama irukadhu. Okay, children? The next one. Again, you have to leave one line and start from the next line. Number 3. 3 inside the margin. Start writing near the margin. Scared. Start with a capital letter. Scared. The meaning of scared is afraid. The meaning of scared is afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. Afraid means bayapadradhu. Okay, children, let me once again read out the words. Number 1, lazy, idle. Number 2, happy, joyful. Number 3, scared, afraid. When you are writing, spell the words and write, children. Okay, children? Now, after finishing the first Roman letter, you have to leave one line. Okay, children? Then start writing the second Roman letter. Second Roman letter is opposites. Second Roman letter is opposites. Opposites means edirchal. Okay, children. After writing the heading, leave one line and write the first word. Number 1 inside the margin. Friend. The first word is friend. The opposite is enemy. Friend. Enemy. Enemy na enaduma? Friend na unakku theriyumla. You have friends. Enemy means edirigal. Okay, va? Edri. Okay. Friend, enemy. Now moving on to the second one. Again, you have to leave one line and start writing. Okay, children. Number 2, happy, sad. Happy, sad. SAD, sad. Happy na சந்தோஷமா இருக்கிறது, sad na சோகமா இருக்கிறது. Okay, children. The next one. Again, you have to leave one line and start writing the third one. 3 must be written inside the margin. Sit, SIT, sit. The opposite of sit is stand. STAND, stand. STAND, stand. Sit na ukkaradu, stand na nikkaradu. Okay, children. Now once again I am going to read out the words. Friend, enemy, ENEMY, enemy. Number 2, happy, sad. Number 3, sit, stand. After writing the second Roman letter, if you have space, you can continue in the same page, or you have to take a new fresh page and start writing. Clear, students? Write with a good neat handwriting. Sharpen your pencil once again. Okay, children? Now we are going to write the third Roman letter. After finishing the second Roman letter, once again you have to leave a line and start the third Roman letter. Singular, plural. Singular, plural. Singular na unne unne, plural na naraiya. Okay, ma? Now after writing the heading, you have to what should you do? Yes, you have to leave a line, and the word is number 1, book, books, book, books. Okay, children? BOOKS, books. Number 2, box. Number 2, box. The answer is boxes. BOXES, boxes. BOXES, boxes. Again, you have to leave one line and start writing from the next line. Number 3, start with a capital letter. Puppy. The answer is puppies. PUPPIES, puppies. PUPPIES, puppies. Let me read out the words. Number 1, book, books. Number 2, box, boxes. Number 3, puppy, puppies. Dear students, after finishing the third Roman letter, now we are going to write the fourth Roman letter. Again, you have to leave one line and start writing the fourth Roman letter. Okay, children? If you don't have space, you can take a new page and start writing. Sharpen your pencil and write, children. Write with your good handwriting, neat handwriting. Number 4th Roman letter is present tense, past tense. 4th Roman letter must be written inside the margin. Heading is present tense, past tense. Present means இப்போ நடக்கிறது. Past tense means நடந்து முடிஞ்சது. Okay, children? Present means இப்போ, past means எப்பவோ நடந்து முடிஞ்சிடுச்சு. Okay, ma? After writing the heading, again you have to leave a line. You have to leave one line and start writing from the next line. Number 1. நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், எப்போவுமே ஹெட்டிங் எழுதணுன்னா ஒரு லைன் விட்டுட்டு தான் எழுத ஆரம்பிக்கணும். பாருங்க, see the board. After one word, each word you have to leave a line. ஒரு வேர்டுக்கும் நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், ஒரு லைன் விட்டு விட்டு அழகாக எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? Now we are going to write the first word. Number 1, inside the margin. Make, made. Make, made. MADE, made. Number 2, run. See, start writing with the capital letter. Okay, children? Run, ran. RAN, ran. Run, ran. Number 3, number inside the margin. Start writing near the margin with a capital letter. Say. Answer is said. say, said. S-A-I-D, said. Okay, children. Now we are going to write the fourth Roman letter. Answer the following. Answer the following. Keep finger space between each word, children. Then only the handwriting will look neat. Look neat. Okay, children. Now after writing the heading, leave one line. Leave one line. Start from the next line. Okay, children. Number 1. The number 1 question. Who was reading a book? Who? Finger space. Was. Finger space. Reading. Finger space. A book. Book must be, if you don't have space here, you have to write in the next line. You have to leave a line and then start from the next line. ஒரு line விட்டுட்டு தான் நீ எழுத ஆரம்பிக்கணும். Book. Question mark. Okay, children. You have to end the question with the question mark. It is very important to put the question mark. Who was reading a book? யார் book படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கா? That is the meaning of the question. Now we are going to write the answer. Leave one line and write the answer. Okay, children. You have to keep 2 finger space and start writing the answer. Gopi's mom was reading a book. Once again I am going to say, Gopi's mom was reading a book. யார் book படிச்சிட்டு இருந்தா? Question அதுதானே. Gopi's mummy தான் book படிச்சிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. So Gopi's mom is the answer. Okay, children. Gopi's mom was reading a book. Now we are going to spell the word with me. Gopi's. G-O-P-I-S. Gopi's mom. M-O-M, mom. Was. W-A-S, was. Reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Yeah. Book. B-O-O-K, book. Then finish the sentence with your full stop. Okay, children. Now I am going to read it out. Gopi's mom was reading a book. Now we are going to move on to the second question. After finishing the first one, once again you have to leave your line and start. Okay, children. Number 2, inside the margin, start with the capital letter. Number 2nd question. What did Gopi say to the shopkeeper? Question mark. What did Gopi say to the shopkeeper? Gopi shopkeeper kitta enna ketta? That is the meaning of the question. Now we are going to start writing the answer. After writing the question, leave one line and start. Okay, children. Again, answer. Leave 2 finger space gap and start writing the answer. Gopi said to the shopkeeper that he want an apple. Gopi said to the shopkeeper that he want an apple. Gopi shopkeeper kitta enna ketan? Oru apple ketan. That is the answer. Okay, children. Now I am going to spell the word. You are going to join with me and spell the word and write. Okay, children. Gopi. G-O-P, Gopi. Said. S-A-I-D, said. To. T-O-2. The. T-H-E, the. Shopkeeper. S-H-O-P, shop. Keeper. K-E-E-P-E-R. Shopkeeper. That. T-H-A-T, that. He. H-E, he. Want. W-A-N-T, want. An. A-N, an. Apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Clear, students? After finishing the second question, again you have to leave one line and start writing the third question. Okay, children. Number 3, inside the margin, start with the capital letter. Why was Gopi angry? Finish it with your question mark. Why was Gopi angry? Gopi and கோவமா இருந்தா. That is the question. என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஒரு லைன் விட்டுட்டு தான் ஆன்சரை எழுத ஆரம்பிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? Now we are going to start writing the answer. Live, 2 finger space gap. Let me read out the answer. Gopi was angry because his mother did not allow him to touch the box. கோபி ஏன் ஆங்க்ரியாக இருந்தான்? அவங்க அம்மா அந்த பாக்ஸை அவனை தொட விடலை, அதனால தான் கோபி ஆங்க்ரியாக இருந்தான். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், see, leave the finger space between each word and write for a neat and good handwriting. Now I am going to spell the word. Spell with me children. Gopi, G-O-P-I, Gopi, was, W-A-S, was, angry, A-N-G-R-Y, angry, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Then you have to write from the next line. Okay children, leave one line and write from the next line. H-I-S, his, mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, did, D-I-D, did, not, N-O-T, not, allow, A-L-L-O-W, allow, him, H-I-M, him, to, T-O-2, touch, T-O-C-H, touch, the, T-H-E, the, box, B-O-X, box. Finish the sentence with your full stop. Okay children, after finishing the question, now you have to leave one line and write the parent sign. Okay children, parent sign. After writing the home classwork, get the sign from your parents. Don't forget to get the sign children. Okay ma? Students, follow the instruction given by me when you are writing the classwork. Write the classwork with neat handwriting. Sharpen the pencil and write. Keep finger space between each word and write. Okay children, spell the word and write. Thank you children and have a good day ma.